Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you 3 options to get Windows 10 October 2020 update. For the first option, you need to use Windows 10 update settings. So to get it, just open your search button from Windows and search for updates. When you are in this Windows update, you will get the notification to download and install Feature Update to Windows 10 version 20H2. Just by clicking this link, then you will allow your system to download and to install the update of Windows 10 October 2020. You just need to restart your PC once the update is completed. But if you are not getting this notification, then you have 2 alternatives. Either you have to wait until Microsoft completed their rollout plan to see the compatibility of all devices with this huge update of Windows 10 October or Windows 10 20H2. The second alternative is to join Windows Insider program. And from this Insider program, you have to choose one out of these 3 options. If you choose the first option or the second option, then your system will automatically download and install the update without getting the notification for your choice. So you need to select the last option in order to allow you to either download or ignore the update once it is released. The advantage of using this update from Windows setting, it does not need reinstallation of the entire system. Now let's check for the second method. The second method is by using Update Assistance. Search for Windows 10. Then from the first website and official, click Download Windows 10. Then once you are in this page to download software from Microsoft, click this link to update now, and you will be updating your Windows 10 October 2020 update. Let us click this. Then you will see Windows 10 upgrade file downloading. You can either double click this file or just click these 3 dots, then open. Then the Windows 10 Update Assistance will give you some information to download and to update your system to Windows 10 October 2020. Then click Update Now. The system will check for compatibility. CPU is okay, memory is okay, disk is okay. Then you can click Next to continue the download process. The Update Assistance is starting to download your Windows 10 October 2020 update. But the only problem of using this Windows 10 Update Assistance, it will perform reinstallation of the entire system to download and install Windows Update. Now let's check for the third method. From the same software download page of Microsoft, you skip this Windows 10 October 2020 update, then you can choose to download your update by using Create Windows 10 Installation Media. Then you download this option or this media creation tool. Once completed, you can double click to open this tool. Let us minimize our web browser. Then you will see your Windows setup is getting some few things ready. Once ready, then you will get this license term. You can read these terms and accept. Then once you have accepted, you will get these 2 options to upgrade this PC now or to create installation media. So if you choose to create installation media, then you can get a copy of Windows 10 with the new update from Windows 10 October 2020, or you can choose to upgrade this PC now, then click next. The system will start to download your Windows 10, but another problem for this Windows 10 setup, it will download and perform reinstallation of the entire system. So by using the media creation tool and update assistance, all this method will require you to perform the reinstallation of the entire system. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you have enjoyed the video, and you can leave the comment below if you are ready to get this October 2020 update. And if you are first here, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share with your friends. See you next time. Bye.